Students, those who are in the online, am I audible, students? Am I audible, students? Yes. So now let us move to the further. Previously, last class, we started with the most important concept, number of approaches to develop the functions. I hope I gave some homework also to you, and you might be practice that examples. Practice now. Okay. So now it's a time to see some more examples to be done. And let me go to the pie chart. Let us watch this. So let us close this part. Functions are very, very important, students. Try to take care. So this is 4 p.m. functions. There I'm having approach example 1. If you look into that, taking the input from function call and the process taking place in the body, and the output is given in the function call itself. So this is called input. Came to the function, processed it, and gave the result to the RES. Here also same. Function call carrying the input, processing in the body, and giving the result back to Z. Okay. And at the same time, approach number 2, we did everything in the function only. In the function body only, we did everything. We printed everything in the body only. Okay. From function call, no input is taken and no result came. Everything we did inside only. I hope you followed that. And at the same time, approach number 3, if we look into that, we are taking input from function call and came to the function definition. We processed it and we printed the result in the body only. This is another approach. Approach number 4, we took the input inside the body and we processed it and then we gave the result back. That result gave back is not a simple thing. The return statement returning more than one value. When a value is returning more than one, that I am holding into 3 different variables in the function call. So these are this a function call with what? Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment we got it. So this is one thing. And one more also is there here. You see, students, this is also one more. This is also function call returning the value in HYD, returning the value V, and returning the value R. All of them are there in where? HYD. So HYD is treated as what? Object of tuple. And that object of tuple I printed with what you know? HYD of 0, HYD of 1, HYD of 2, and HYD of -3 with negative indexes also we printed. I hope students, you might be understood the concept of what? Total all the 4 approaches. Yesterday you are there in the class. All of you are there. Who is not there yesterday? Why? Power issue. No. Then what to do then? Should next others. Amma? Power issue. I think you are telling wrong. Correct? You are telling wrong. I understand. Power issue, sleep issue. Hmm? Hmm. Rain problem. Correct? Okay. Power issue then. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Power issue or rain issue. Both. Okay. Sit down. And who is not there in online and offline? They are in underline. Offline, online not there, and who are in different line. Right? So, students, and we'll give you that link of yesterday as a video link we'll give, as I said already in the class. I said them, I'll keep it in the Google Drive class to do Google Classroom link. I'll keep it yesterday's class and you try to listen it and try to move forward. So today I will go to one more example. Let me solve it yesterday's one only and I'll go to different examples. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will calculate which will calculate. Again, I am doing simple example where the yesterday's people also will follow, which will calculate simple interest, which will calculate simple interest and the total amount to pay, and the total amount to pay. And the total amount to pay by using functions, by using functions, by using functions. Okay. Students, you look at that part, that example, I'm going to do it. Look at. So here I'm going to do. So now I'm going to introduce. So somebody is also having Sharan and Sharan. Sharanan. Sharan. Okay. Sharan. Good evening, sir. Yesterday I was not attending the class because I have semester examination. Okay. Okay, student, no issue. Sharan will keep the video link of yesterday in the Google Classroom link. Today itself, I will keep it. Today before 8 p.m., I will keep that link. Try to listen. That video link you try to listen. Now let us move to the. Now I'm going to write it. Simple int example 1.py. Try to follow students carefully. This I'm going to do normally, and one more is by other way also I will do it. So far what we did, one function only we defined or not. I can define more than one function also. So let us observe that. Today I'm going to define two or more functions I will define. Okay. So let us go for def simple int. Simple int is my function name. There I'm going to take everything I will read inside. Everything I will read inside. I'll print everything inside. Okay. So P is equal to float of already this example I already said to you, and this I am doing with functions. Enter principal amount. Enter principal amount. So here I am going to write it. Enter principal amount. T is equal to float of input of I am writing enter time. Enter time I am going to say. Next R is equal to float of input of enter rate of interest. Enter rate of interest. Enter rate of interest. This is called PTR. Now I'm going to do what? Calculate SI and the total amount to pay. Amount to pay. So total amount to pay. So what I'll do? SI is equal to, as you know already students, P star T star R by what? 100. P star T star R by 100. Next I'm going to say what? TOT AMT is equal to SI plus what? P or P plus SI. You know, na? P plus SI. Anything is okay. There, calculation is over. Now I need to print the data. So I'm going to print it. I'm going to print it, the data. Like this, I'm going to write it. What is this now? Principal amount I will print. Principal amount I'm going to print. There I'm going to say dot format of what I'll do, P. Next of print of what I'm going to do. And the time, I'm going to take up the time here. Time I'm going to write it. There I will say dot format of what you know, T. And next print of what I'm going to do, you know, the rate of interest. I'll print the rate of interest. Rate of interest I'll do. Dot format of what you know, or I will print. And that is give an input. Simple interest, simple interest uh, is called what, dot format of what, SI, SI. Now I'm going to take up what, total amount to pay. So I'm going to write it, total amount to pay. Okay. There I'm writing dot format of what, something like TOT AMT. This is called my complete function. So here I will take it. This is a one, I'm ending it. Okay, students. Now I'm going to take up here simple interest. If I run my code, will it be executing? No, because there is no function call. Now I need to go for function call. So I'll write here main program. I'll write a main program now. So what is the main program I'm calling? Simple int. This is known as what? Function call. So neither taking input from function call nor returning to the function main program. Everything I'm taking inside, everything I'm processing and displaying the result inside only. That's it. Run this code. Now I'm going to take up 1000 and 2 and 3. And as you know that result is going to be 60 rupees as an interest. 1000 plus 60 is called what? 1060. This is about the result. This is well and good. We defined a function and even this function can be reused in other places also. So for what I'm doing, I'm using my function. I'm calling within the same program. Next, when you come to this place, when I come to this area, this is a functions I said. In the further, I'm going to discuss functions extension is called what? Modules. Functions and extension is modules. Modules extension is what? Packages. Modules functions extension is called modules. Modules extension is what? Packages. So function what it contains, the modules will contain what? Functions. And modules are present in where? Packages. These are our different topics which are very important. I'm going to talk about further. Let us continue the discussion. This example, anyhow, you understood. You can define the same example in another three more ways also. Now, today, my requirement is the same example I'm going in different way. Generally, if any kind of task is given in real time, people will plan for different activities, different type of functionalities they will write it. Let me take up simple example 2.py. 2.py. Let us take a small uh, example, general knowledge example I am giving. General knowledge example I am going to give you. Try to understand that. In olden days, there was a TV. There was a TV. Inside the TV, there are buttons are there. What are these buttons? Start button, a volume increasing button. When you go to the TV, you will press the buttons only. Earlier days, there was no remote concept, correct or not? So all buttons used to be there in the TV only in olden days. So because of that, what is happening? The person has to go there, need to switch on, and one channel is coming. You will keep the channel and you will come across and sit in this place. The moment when you sat, advertisement is coming. What you will do? Again, you will go there. Again, you will change the channel. Again, you will sit. Again, advertisement. So you will feel a lot of inconvenience around. And one more problem is that is one issue. That is called some discomfortability will be there in that. There is no control over it because TV watching, TV controlling, both of them are involved in one place only. One more point is what suppose some issue is happening. Some issue is happening in TV. Some problem has taken in TV. That problem can be either this controlling unit or it may be a showing unit. So mechanic is coming. He will take 1 or 2 days to fix that problem. Why? Both the controlling unit plus showing unit, both of them are there in one place only they integrated. Correct or not? In later days, what is happening? For customer to feel more easy, TV unit is separate, remote unit is separate. So by sitting in one place, you can go for controlling this unit. That is called what? TV kind of thing. You need not to stand up again and again, need not to move here and there to change your channels. And by using this remote, you can watch whatever the program you like it. Are you following me? Now, for example, there is an issue is occurring. Where is the issue is occurring? Either it's show or in TV unit or in remote unit. If remote is not working, you can see only this component. You will not test this component. But earlier what? You will test both of them. Is it not a waste of time? Maintenance issues are more here. But here, maintenance issues are reducing. So, this complex problem is decomposed into two pieces. One is a TV unit and a remote unit. They get decomposed into two pieces. That means this is one function, this is one more function. And once a problem is given, that problem is supposed to split into two parts. One is what? One function, another is another function. My advice is, if any problem is given, try to do with the three important parts. It is my advice. Suppose if I am a student, if a problem is given, I will take it in three parts. One is what? Input related kind of function I will take. Processing kind of function I will take. Display kind of function I will take. These are simply called as what? Phases of the function. Input function takes separately. Process function takes separately. And a display function takes separately. Are you getting? If problem is coming in input, I will verify only this function. If a processing comes in problem, I'll take only processing. If display comes in problem, only display I will take it. Are you following or not? So, what is this now? In general, human being you take it. Human being you take it. Human being will take what? Input. You'll take food. And internally, what will happen? Process. It will process your digestive system and immediately gives what? Energy. Energy is coming. That is called output is coming. Are you following me? So, you are not taking food. What is the problem? You are not taking food. What is the problem? Huh? No result కాదు boss. You are not taking food. Where is the problem? In the digestive system, problem is there. Digestive system. You are not feeling hungry. You are not following me. Unnecessarily, I touched this example. When you feel hungry, you will take food or not. That means your digestive system is working well. You are taking the food. Correct or not? Okay, food is taken. And digestive system is working. Output is not coming. That time, what is the problem? Where is the problem? You are attending classes. You are listening the classes. Job is not coming. Why? Practice is not there. Reading is not there. That means you are taking food, processing, energy is not coming because you are taking junk food. Junk food you are taking, junk food. Pani puri, jalebi, what else? Noodles, samosa, veg manchuria, that manchuria, this manchuria is becoming what? Becoming a bin here, bin. That's why energy is not coming. Right. So Vasu Srinu is saying could not be able to listen the class. Oh, super. So is other students are able to listen the class? Is other students are able to listen the class? Online students? Come on, guys, all of you. Right. So this student is not able to listen. Vasu. So relogin student, they are thinking, huh? Rajesh, something is saying. Dosha, no problem. Okay, come to the subject. Subject you come first. When I say something different, you will go. Subject questions will not be answering. Okay, anyhow, I'm going to say further conclusion. So what I'm going to take? Three things I'm going to take it. What are my functions? Reading, processing, and then what? Now, you look at that. Even it is easy for you. Any problem is there, you try to write it. What is this now? This part is called what? input. See, my dear students, I am taking what is this now? DEF. What is this now? Input. I am taking something like this, and I wrote like this. I wrote like this. Are you able to follow? Input. I took it like this. And what is the problem here? DEF input of. Where is the problem? Why this problem is coming? So float of input of. Why this problem is coming all of a sudden? So here, coming to the point back, here I'm going to take up. Next I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. DEF input I'm going to take it. Why this input is coming? Here I'm going to write it. Let us take it as, yeah, because I'm using function called input. Input is already a predefined function. You cannot do that. So I'm going to take values. Take values, I'm going to take it. Now, there is a problem. That's the main problem. Are you able to follow? There I am saying, once you take the input, you return that p comma t comma r. I'm telling you how to solve that with multiple functions. Next, what I'm going to do, another function I'm going to do it. What is that now? DEF, DEF, what is this now? Process, result. So calculate simple SI, simple interest. What I do there? I'll do the logic. In order to do the logic, what should I do? This calculate simple interest need to have this PTR or not? So in order to have this PTR, I need to call this function or not? How do you call this function? Come on, remove that. Now I'm going to take up and a take values returns what? Here p comma t comma r. This is called what here, function call. Function call with what? Multi-line assignment. Very, very important. Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment, I got it. After that, next what I'll do? Calculate. SI is equal to, come on, P star T star, P star T star what? R. By what? 100. 100. Next is called what? TOT AMT is equal to P plus what? SI. P plus SI. I calculated. Overall together, I'm going to do what? P comma T comma R comma what SI comma TOT AMT. I'm returning that also. This is called what? Calculate simple interest. Getting or not? Next, I'm going to do what? Beautiful thing. I'm going to say DEF. DEF. What is this now? Display result. Display result is my function. This display result is calling which function? This display result is calling what function? Calculate simple interest. What it is going to come? I will get it. This entire thing I will write it here. What is this now? Function call with what line assignment? Multi-line assignment. P will be storing here, T will be storing there, R will be storing, SI will store, everything will store, TOT amount will store. Now I will print my result. What is my result? This result I am going to print it. This result I am going to print it. So this is my result I printed. Are you following? So which function I need to call now then? Which function I have to call? Display result I will call. Simply I will call in my main program. Simply I will call. What is this now? Display result. It's a function call I am going to call. Function call. Once if I call display result, where it will go? Display result. Display result internally calls what? Cal simple interest. It will go to this place. It will call internally what? This will execute. Return the PTR, calculate that, return that. This value will be returning here. I am printing this entire result. This is called one function is calling what? Another function. This is simply called as what? One note point I will write students. For the note point, display result. Display result is calling what? Display result is calling what function? Cal simple int. Cal simple int. Cal simple int. Cal simple int is calling what? Take values. Take values. This is called what? This type of arrangement is called what function chaining we can call. Function chaining. Function chaining we can call. What do you mean by function chaining? One function is calling another function. This is called very, very important. So in our industry, we'll come across lot of times this type of mechanism. And there is no rule that all the functions we need to call one by one. This is a very, very important in today. That's why I keep for assignment to assign example today. See, principal amount 1000 and next is 2 and 3. I got the result called what? 1060. So this is also one more thing called what? Another way of doing the applications. Getting? Is it understandable? Fine. Like that, you can do any example. It is my advice for you. Take the values separately, processing separately, and the next what? Display the result separately. This is the advice for you to do it. Shall we go for next? Online students, is this mechanism is clear for everybody? Is this mechanism and process, did you understand? Please respond everybody. Don't sit quiet and calm. Fast. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of values, which will accept list of values, list of numerical values, you write, which will accept list of numerical values, which will accept list of numerical values and find their sum and average, find their sum and average by using functions, by using functions, by using functions. Come on now. I'm going to discuss about the same thing. And from now onwards, I'll write what? Two functions, I will write it. Can I write two functions? Two functions. How do you do this now? How do I do? One function I will take to read the values. One more function I will do to calculate. So I'm going to write two functions. First plan is required. So I'm going to write it what? Sum avg example 1.py. 1.py. Sum avg example 1.py. So here I am writing a questioning here. Program for accepting list of values and find their sum and average. Sum and average. How do you do this now? Come on. Read DEF, the read values of what? Pass. Pass. What is the pass? Pass is a keyword which instructs the Python compiler and PVM not to consider indentation block. Or pass is a keyword which will make the PVM and Python compiler to bypass what? Indentation block. Pass is a keyword which will ignore the indentation block. Now, DEF, what is this now? Cal, sum, and the next is called what? AVG. AVG. Say pass. Now I will read the data. Shall I read the data now? Tell me, how do you read? There are two ways are there to read or not. One is enter the number of numbers and reading those many number of numbers. Continuously you enter and finally you do what? Return the result until we enter some special symbol. Did you understand that? Now, shall I do that? Can you help me? Can you help me? Right. Come on, help. Print of enter list of values and press any special symbol to stop, to stop in, to stop. Okay. What I do? While true, while true. Already you know, while true. Come on, what should I take it? Value is equal to input of, input of. Come on. If coding not remembering, not value dot is ALNUM, is ALNUM. If it is not alphanumeric, is ALNUM returns true in the case of alpha. Returns true in the case of numeric. Returns true in the case of alphanumeric. That is not. Not means what? Special symbol only. I will enter the dollar. Is ALNUM? No, false. N- Not false. True. True means what? Break. Break. I think you are following me. Break. Now I'm going to say else. If it is else, what should I do? I will take one LST here, students. One LST is equal to what? Empty. I am taking there. What I should do? LST dot append of, what is that now? Float of value. Beautiful. Why that float of value? I'm converting into which type? Float type. Generally, what type of value it is? STR. 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 And I convert it into which type? Float type. LST dot append of float of value. Done. I think you are understanding. And finally, I'm going to say return what? LST. Return LST. I think you are following me. Well, now students, carefully follow me. Here I am going to understand. In this case, we return LST. Now here you come, this place you see, this you see, and only one thing you return it. Coming to the main program, students, main program you come, and a different model I will write today. What function you are calling? Read values function you are calling. What is the value returning? LST. LST you are returning. So I will write it what LST. Some variable name. Is it a function call or not? Function call. Function call. What is happening? I am taking input inside. I am returning the result back. One of the approach. Well, going to print what here? Print of content of. Tell me. Content of LST is equal to comma what? LST. Try to run this data. Try to run this program once and see this now. How it is useful. 10, 20 and minus 23. Minus 23. I entered. And what I entered here, minus 23. The moment when I enter minus 23, it is taking as a special symbol. This is also not supposed to be taken. It is also not supposed to be taken. Are you following me? Minus 23 also to be allowed. Are you following? Minus 23 also to be allowed. But here what is happening? This is also not taking into consideration. That is also to be taken care very specially. What are you doing there? This value, you are supposed to take it in this way. If you go to like this, in these cases, you are getting some danger problem. Some danger problem. To avoid this kind of thing, even if I enter float value, also problem is coming. Try to go to it now. 12 and 34 and 56, 1.2. What is happening? It is getting stopped or not? Are you getting this? So this is also problem is coming. Then for this, how can I solve this issue? How can I solve this issue? This is also one major problem. That's why better it is only integer data is accepting without negative values or something you are going to say that time. Suppose if you want to enter that also in a serious manner, there is I'm going to use one small thing. Just I'm experimenting. Don't waste our time also, but I want to check it. S is equal to minus 12 I am entering. I am writing S dot underscore contains underscore contains of what? Underscore. It is going to contain what? True. That means any number contains underscore, it is going to give you what? True. Next, S is equal to what? 12 point what 12.34. 12.34. Dot also I am writing. Dot also I am writing. What is happening? Also true, because the dot contains function returns true when the symbol is present inside. Minus is returning true when it is going to contain that symbol here. Even both of them are also there, it should not takes place. Then will you add this code to my program? Will you add or not? Then how do you add it? How do you add it? This is one thing. Breaking. Next, when we any other things, here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. This is one thing. What I'm doing, and and or whatever it is. We will check that result later. And if you are careful, I am writing. If you are not careful, I will write normal logic. Try to understand. Dot underscore contains underscore contains what? Dot one dot. This is one thing. And the next one more also I will write it. What is the next term? Value dot underscore what contains of what? Minus. I think you are following me. So these things, one is called this one. What should I write it? Or, or I will write what or. Start this logic now. I am entering what symbol now? Dollar. What is this up to here? Come on. Not false. This is generally false or not? But what you did? What is happening? True. True. This is okay. But when it is true, it won't go to the further. It won't go to the further. So it is doing what? Breaking. Okay, that you keep it. Minus 12 I am taking. Minus 12. What is this now? Minus 12. First of all, are you okay? This one? Next, one more key thing is what? Minus 12. What is this is called? Minus 12. What is this answer now? What is this answer? False. Not false means what? Again doing what? But it is going to be called supposed to consider or not? So here I am trying to write the symbol called what, and I changed it. Now, come on, start. Minus 12. You want to check it here? You want to check it here? Minus 12. Minus 12. Students, no more confusions. Here I am writing. Here I am writing. S dot is ALNEM. Is ALNEM. What is that? False. Come on. What is this now? False. False means what? True. It is becoming true. And it is not breaking. Go to where? And what is this now? False. 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 Next, what I am doing, assume that this is also called what here. And what is happening now? Value dot underscore contains what it is called? True. What is the final answer? What is the final answer? So either this, what is happening? Either this is true, this is true, and both of them are called false. And what is this is called? False. False or not? Finally, what is happening? False. It is added or not? Added or not? Yes. Next, last and final. 12.34. 12.34. What is an answer now? 12.34. It is called true. Not true. What is this now? True. True. True and true is called what? True. But what is this answer? False. What is an answer? False. False means it is coming to where? That place. This is okay. But what is the next term? Next I'm going to take what? A dollar. And what is this answer now? Come on. True. This is true. What about this? False. What about this? False. This is also becoming what? False. It is, then it is also getting added. Now the finally this code will not work out. So what is the logic to think? Is ALNEM? First of all, you need to take care about it. Just 1 minute, students. I will just check it out. If it is containing, I'll write the code, students. Please do let me give 1 minute or 2 minutes for me. So one thing is value contains this one, or value contains this one. You add it. If it is coming to this place, You don't write this code here. You don't write this code ma here. Please remove this code once. Remove this code once. When it comes to else part, what I will do, students? If, what is this now? Value dot, value dot, I say here, starts with, 1 minute student, starts with like this, starts with like this, starts like this, you append, you append. Next is called what? If, what is the next term? Value dot underscore underscore contains of what? Dot dot. This also you do what? LST dot append of what? Value. Start students. Testing. I will enter dollar. Definitely this is breaking. I will enter minus 12. What this is now? What this is now? Becoming what? It is breaking. It is breaking, correct? It is breaking, students. It is also breaking. In this case also breaking. But it should come to this place. In this case, it should come to this place. Suppose if it is come adding, if it is containing, that is done. 1 minute, students. Here I will take it, this thing, in the beginning I will write it. In the beginning I will write it. Here I am writing, else I am writing, else I am writing. Here I am saying, this else part you remove it. Starts with, this will add. Any kind of minus 12 is there, this is adding. Next, 12.34, it is also getting added. And a dollar, if it is there, it is false. This is also false. Coming to else, and you are breaking it. Just to test it once. Say here 10, 20, minus 23. Only minus 23 is getting added. Other things are not getting added. This is only the better, students. Previous one is only the better. Alphanumeric breaking. If it is starts with this also, if it is containing special symbol, try to enter some 12 and minus 34. It's getting problem here. Now, how you can maintain? The thing is, I want to enter the number starts with a negative values. I want to start centering with a negative value with a numbers, 12 with a 3.4 and a dollar to be exited. That is my logic. 100 also allowed, 200 also to be allowed. Only this type of symbols comes, I want to stop it. This is my intention. So for that, you need to prepare the logic. So here starts with and then contains, I need to go for it. Either you can start with or you can contain this. You need to go for appending it. I will enter 100. When I enter 100, this is becoming false. Fine. So this logic, you please give me some time. I will work out on it and I will tell you. Okay now? Instead of thinking in the class, I will work out on it and I will tell you, students. Okay now? So coming to the point of it. So here I'm going to say this part, I'll check it out and I'll give you the final code for it. Same logic only, I'll carefully check it. So this logic, give me the time, I will take care and I will test it. Now students, read values. What is the logic now? Number of values is equal to int of input of enter how many values you want, you want. That logic I will tell you, students. Right now, don't worry. If number of values less than or equal to 0, you try to enter, what should I say? Return of like this. What are you returning? That bracket is called what? Empty list. Empty list, that is. You can also write happily like this also. Like this also. Now I am writing like this. New model of example. Else, what I should do? Accept the values. How to accept the values? For I in range of 1 comma, what is this now? N plus 1. N plus 1, NOV plus 1, NOV plus 1, NOV plus 1. Value is equal to float of input of enter, enter, come on, fast, enter value, value, dot format of what? I, dot format of I. That value I will append to the list. I'll take one list student. What is the list? Empty. I will take that LST. LST dot append of what? Value, value. So done. And finally, what I am doing? When you come out of that else, I'll say return what? LST. So here I am going to say either you return empty list or you return non-empty list. Are you able to follow? Come to back. Here I am going to take up. Call the function name now. Call the function name now. Read values function. Calling. If you enter the values 0 or negative, returning empty list, LST contains this empty. If you enter a positive value and I am reading that many values and returning that LST with values you are returning. Try to run this now. See this now. How many values I am saying? Some 4, 10, 20, 2.3, minus 34. So I got my complete values. Actually, this is my intention in the previous code. That code, how to achieve it, I will tell you in the code. Nothing to worry about it. And next, another way. This is a non-empty list is coming. Next is called what? I say 0. 0 means what is coming? Empty. Empty list is coming. So anyhow list is coming with me. Either empty list will come or non-empty list will come. Now I am going to say find some AVG. What are you passing? LST. What is this LST? List of values, either non-empty list or empty list. Is it a function call or not? It is a function call. It is a function call. The result of one function is passing as an input to another function. So there I am define what is this now? Find what? Some AVG of what here? LST. LST. Are you able to follow now? Are you able to follow now? Yes. So Sidhu, if value is equal to, if value is equal to that logic, at the rate symbol, if it is there, it is very simple for us. If I use at the rate symbol, it is very simple. But our thing is what? Enter any special symbol. That is our logic. At the rate symbol concept is dead easy. That we did already in childhood days only. In childhood days only, I said that. Now coming to the point of it. Now coming to LST. What is the LST? Here I will take a decision. What is that? LN of LST is equal to what? 0. What is this now? Print. List is what? Empty. Empty. Can't find sum and AVG. Can't find sum and AVG. If it is not equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, this is the one. If it is not equal to 0, coming to where? Come on. Coming to where? Else part. In else part means what the values are coming? LST is equal to like that. Length is what? 0. Length is 0. What happened? Take your books. Stand up. When you are taking our mobile and you are watching and she is talking with you. Go to home. And how dare you are to sit in my class and watching mobile? That's a funny event. And she is talking to you. Totally different. Sit down. So here, come to else part. What to do in else part? Actually, you are about to go to out of the class. Don't waste the time of mine. Don't disturb. You want to go, go to home. Don't be in my class. Waste. Else is equal to, come to the point. And you're talking moreover. That is what is something danger. First time I'm seeing. What is the next thing to do? This is the one. And this is called what? Can't find sum and average. And if this is a values are present, 10, 20, 30, 40, if this is the case, what to do? Non-empty. I need to take S is equal to 0, find the sum. For value in LST, for value in LST, and I'll say what? S is equal to S plus value. S is equal to S plus value. I'm printing that. And I need to print what there? Sum I need to print. Sum I need to print. How do you print the sum? Sum is equal to, sum is equal to dot format of what? Yes, I will print. And print of what next? AVG is equal to, I am going to say dot format of, come on. How do you find the average, ma? Tell me how to find the average now. Tell me. You are watching mobile now in front of me by sitting. Tell me how to find average then. Tell me now. Tell me how to find average. Tell me. Take 1 hour time. 1 hour. So, S by LN of S. Beautiful. LN of S. This is a subject. LN of S. So that you will be getting it. So, this is called what? In for loop values are going to be there and I'm printing as another statement. If you want, you can write these statements under where? This part you can write it. Like this, you can write it. If you want to print the value also, you can print the value also. If you want to print the value also, you can print. Format of what? Value you can say. And then it is printed now. This is the result we are getting it. This is the result we are getting it. So here, main program is available here. And then getting this data. Sum average is equal to the sum by what? LN of S. LN of S or LN of LST? LST, not LN of S. LN of what? LST. I hope you are understanding this. So execute. See this now. Enter how many values? 5, 5, 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, and 40. For example, what is happening here? Values are printed. Sum is called what? 120. 120 by what? 120 by 5. What is the answer now? 24. 24. This is the way how you can find out. This is the way how you can find out. Try to run something like 2. Say 10 and 20, 30. 30 by 2 is called what? 15. Sum and average. You execute like this. What is this now? 10 minus 10. Say 20 minus 20. What is happening? Sum is 0. Average also 0. What is the sum? Madhubavulu, 10 minus 10, 20 minus 20. What is the answer? 0. Sum is 0. Average is equal to what I said? Sum by LN of LST. What is the sum? 0 by 4 is called what? 0. So here the answer is called what? Fourth value. Still I need to enter. How many values? 10 values I entered. Actually, I want to enter 2 values. Let it be. I will enter 10, 20 minus 20, 30 minus 30. Let it be. I will enter 0 sum, 0 average. Next is called what? 40 minus 40. Next is called 50 minus 50. Minus 50. 10, 10 I will enter. 10 I will enter. 10. This is called what? Number of number. Minus 10 plus 10 cancel. This cancel, this cancel, this cancel, this cancel. All of them are cancel. What is the answer now? Sum is 0, average is 0. That's my intention. I hope that you followed. Are you able to get it? The main thing is function is returning a a list object, and that list object is going to give sending as an input to another function. There I'm taking the logic. Got it? Write down one more example. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept list of words, which will accept a list of words, which will accept a list of words and find highest length word, highest length words, which will accept list of words and find highest length words, highest length words. Very, very important. If I take an example here, LST is equal to, if I take it, Python and the next Java, and the next I'm taking HTML. Now I'm taking, Django. Like this, I'm taking it. What is this now? Python contains how many letters? Here I need to take it. Python contains 6 letters. Java contains 4 letters. And HTML contains what letters? 4 letters. And Django contains what letters? 6 letters. 6 letters. Take one more word. If this is the case, and I need to print max length words is equal to how many? 2. What are the two things I need to print it? Python I need to, and the next is called what? These are the things I want to print it. Are you able to follow? These are the things I just want to. These are the things I want to print it. Suppose there is one more thing called what, something like this. I'm going to take it. What is the number of letters here? How many? 9. 9 are there. I will print max length word is only 1, and I need to print the word called what? Hyderabad. I just want to print that data only. Like this, I want to print. Then how do you print it? Now I am going to tell you this. So definitely I'll tell in the class, try to find out this. So here I am writing max length words example 1.py. Max length word example 1.py. Go to the program now. Program for accepting list of words, and find max length words. Print max length words. Come on, tell me how to do this now. DEF. What is this? Get words. Get words. Get the words. Come on, get the words. How do I get it? I will go on get the words until we enter at the rate symbol to stop. That's very simple for us. That we already did. Print of what? Enter list of words and press at the rate symbol to stop. At the rate symbol to stop. Stop. There I'm going to take it. What should I do? Of like this I need to write. How do I write it? While true. While true. What should I do? Value is equal to input of. There I'm writing. There I'm writing. What is this? Value is equal to what? At the rate symbol. I'll say what now? Break. Break I'll say. Else what I do? I'll create one list of students. I'll take one list here, and there I will take LST dot what? Append of what? Value. That's all. And finally, I'm going to say that return, what is this now? LST. Return LST. This is my logic. Come to main program. Come to main program now. What is the function name? Get words. What is the returning value? Words is equal to. Print that now. Print of what? Words. Print of words. Run this code. Here I'm writing Python, Java, and next HTML, next Django, next is called Hyderabad. I said Bangalore, and at the rate symbol I said at the rate symbol. What is happening? Is it my data or not? This is my data. Suppose this is my LST, which I got it in the form of words. This is the words I got it. Run once again. Beginning, I will say what? At the rate symbol only. What is happening? It is returning empty list. So I am going to get in the form of words. Either empty list will come or non-empty list will come. Now I am going to take up the next function. What is the next function? Find max length, max length word, max length word. I am going to write the max length word. Come on, define. DEF. Find max length word I will take out. Find max length word I will take up. There I am going to take the parameter here. I am taking words here. Now I am taking words. There I am taking words. What are these words? Is a list that I am passing here. It is coming to this place. What should I do? If, come on, fast. len of words is equal to what? 0. 0. What should I say? List is, list is empty. List is empty. Can't find max and max length word. So can't find max length word. Can't find max length word. Can't find max length word. Now I'm going to write what? Else. List is empty. Can't find max length word. Now I'm going to write what? Else. I'm going to take else. In the else part, what should I do? This is my words. These are my words. Assume these are coming into the format like this. Coming like this. Now I need to go for the else. This is my given data. I need to find what? For each and every word length I have to find. This code I already said. Finding the word length I already said. How do I do that? Dict is equal to, I took it as what? Dict of. Empty dictionary I am taking. Why I am taking empty dictionary? To take the word and then its length for that purpose. How do you take it? For word in words. For word in where? Words. Add the word. Add the word and its length as what? Key comma value pair. Because of this, what is happening? I am finding the word as a key and whose length as what? Key and then value. Word is becoming key. This is called key and this is becoming what? Value. It is going to print. Python is a key and it is printing 6. Java is a key printing 4. This I was already explained to you. And you try to print for your better understanding. You print it. Just a temporary execution I am saying. Try to run, students. Try to run. Run. Now I'm going to say Python, Java, HTML, Django, and next is called what you know. Like this, I'm entering and see this now, Bangalore, and something like Mumbai, and I say last at the rate. So what is happening? Observe it here. Python 6, Java 4, HTML 4, Django 6, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai. Am I getting or not? Out of all these things, I have to find what? Max. Max I want to find. Shall I take it? Right. How to find the max? Come on. For that, if there are two things are there. One is called what? See, LST is equal to 10, 23, 4, 56, 78. Max of what? LST. Max function I can use. A min function I can use. I can write the logic also for max and min. And if you are talented, I can write max and min logic. If you are not talented, if you want to use max like this, you can find also. Not a problem. Are you able to follow? So, how do you write the logic? If you are a very powerful student, I'll write it here. Max, max is equal to, I will write it. If you are most powerful student, I'll write it for value in where I'll take like this. What I'm doing, max is equal to LST of 0. I'm taking. For example, I'm assuming one variable whose max is what? 0, 10. I'm taking for value in where LST. I'm writing if Value greater than what? Max. Value greater than max. There I am saying max is equal to value. Max is equal to value. And see that and print off what? Max. Perfect. You can write your own logic for max finding. This is called your food will come in industry only because of coding. Take one more time. LST is equal to 100 comma 23 comma 456 comma 78 comma minus 56 comma minus 501 comma 23. I want to find minimum. How many ways are there to find minimum? Two ways. Min of where? Min of what? LST. LST. It is okay. But when you go to Microsoft, IBM and all, they'll say find the minimum of the list of numbers without using min function. What you will do? No, no, sir, I will use min function only. Without using min function, I don't know. They'll say, go to home, they will say. That time what I will do? M is equal to LST of what? 0. Of course, I will tell you that. Don't worry. I'll tell you. First, for value in where? LST, I am writing if value less than M, yes, M, I will write M is equal to value and say enter key, print of M minus 1. Allah, like that you need to do. Sitting in the class watching mobile, nothing will come. Because I will tell little hard only. Because watching mobile is a crime in my class. Pakka crime it is. Right. Whatever you feel, I don't mind for that. Pakka crime, watching mobile. That to girls, which I feel they are sincere. Pakka crime it is. Come on. I will go to this place. For word in words, D of words is equal to online students. That example, what I wrote it, I will tell you as a separate program. Right now, don't worry. Now it is coming. In the for loop, what is prepared? Dictionary prepared, else part. Dictionary printed. When it comes to else, what will happen? After finding the words and everything, coming to where? Else part. What is that? D. I will print. Enter. Here I am entering Python, Java, C, C++, Bangalore, at the rate. This is my data. Got it or not? This is the data because of what? D. D. I'm trapping wherever I like it. I'm trapping it. I'm just from this. I want to find what? I want to find what? Values I need to take. First of all, I need to take values or not? I cannot apply min function here. I cannot apply min function. Do you think that min function can be applied? No, not possible. Go. Once you try to take it and check it, it is not possible. Some D is equal to like this. Print of what? D comma type of D. Dictionary. Min of D. See what is coming? Min of C is going to be coming what? C. Min of D. This is C. What is this C is called? Containing 1. But I need to get what? I don't want this. I want to get these values to get it. I want to get these values to get it. How do I get it? How do I get it? Hmm? Items of. Right. Forget already. D dot what? Values. D dot values. In dictionary, I said D dot items, so D dot keys, so D dot values, which will give you what? List of values. There I will find what? In that, I will find what here? Max. Max I will find. What? Max. D dot values. D dot values will give you what? Int is not. Okay. So D dot values is giving what? D dot values is giving what type? Dict values type. That I will convert into which type? List type. For that list type, I will find what? Max. So I'm going to say list of D dot values of values of. So close. What is happening still? 1 minute. D dot values. 1 minute. D dot values of, first of all, now x is equal to D dot values of, there I am going to write a list of I am going to take it. So print of what here? X comma type of what? X, which is of what type? List type. There I will try to find out. In the same mechanism, max of list of D dot values of opening bracket, one more bracket. What is the value coming? What is this error? D dot values converted into list. No, 1 minute. List of D dot values. Getting on that I will apply what? Max of int is not callable. Int is not callable. D dot values. Int is not callable. Okay. Not an issue. It is not coming. What I will do now? This D is coming now. What I will do there? X is equal to, or LST is equal to, as you are aware of it, list of D dot, what is this function name? Values. What is coming here? Print of LST and type of LST. I'm just showing you by trapping it every time. Use take it, HYD, Java, Python, and C, and at the rate symbol. What is my data? List I got it. This value is only coming 3, 4, 6, 1. What is this type I got it? List of. Hold on. No issue. I will find out something like x is equal to max of what? LST. I will print what here? Print of what? ML. I'm just capturing in middle of it. No problem. HYD, Python, Java, C, at the rate. What is the max? 6 I got it. 6. Are you following me? The overall together, what I will do? What is ML? Max. What is LST? I am going to write this entire thing under where? LST. LST. This you try to remove. Same thing. Last and final testing. I am taking last and final testing process I am doing. Last and final testing. Try to run. There I am saying HYD, Python, Bangalore, something like elephant. Next, C and at the rate symbol. What is my data? Elephant is what? 8. Got it or not? Fine. Where is my max length word? ML. ML is containing my max length word. Online students, ML is containing my max length word. Now I am going to apply. Now I captured. In this case, what is the ML word? In my case, what is the ML word? 8. Are you following? 8. Assume that, take this 8 in the middle of it so that you can easily process it. This is my data. Are you able to get it? Now, get the first word. Compare the 6 with what? ML. Get the second word. Compare this word with ML. Take the third word. Compare this 8 with what? ML. Is it equal or not? Then that will become which word? Highest length word. So how do you get these words now? Out. For word, comma, length in D dot items. D dot items. Word length in D dot items. What is the length value in the first time? Python 6. That 6 will compare with which value? ML. What was the ML value which I already calculated? 8. Come on here. If length is equal to ML, Length is equal to ML. What should I do? Print that word. Print that word. Print that word. Otherwise, repeat. Start. What is this word and length? Python and then what? 6. 6 is equal to 8. No. Go. What is the word and length? Java and 4. 4 is equal to 8. No. Go back. Bangalore and 8. 8 is equal to 8. True. Print what? Bangalore. Bangalore. Highest word I printed. Next. C++ and 3. 3 is equal to 8. False. Print. No more words are there. Finished. Run. Say. HYD. Python. Java. Django. Next. I am saying Bangalore. Bangalore. At the rate symbol. What is coming? Bangalore. You say. Next. A. AB. B. ABC. BC. ABCD. BCD. Now, at the rate. What is the answer? Come on. ABCD. ABCD. This is this is called Amazon level company test. This is. You have to do like this. Now take whatever you like it. Now, IBM. Next is called Amazon. Next is called Zoom. Next is called Zoom. Next is called Uber. Next is called Swiggy. Next I am entering here Hyderabad. Hyderabad. So next is called what you know? Django. Next is called something like Java. Like this. So done. What is the answer? Like that. Highest length word is calculated already. This is the one we are getting it. This is the way to do it. Suppose you want to print all of them, you want to append to one list. You can take max length word. You can go on appending the max length word to the place. Are you following? So number of max length word. How do you do that now? LST is equal to, and I will say here, come on, what is this now? LST dot append of what? Word. Append of word. And come out of that. After finishing that, print what? What is this now? Print of. What is this now? Max length words. Max length words. Max length words. I'm going to give you for word in where LST and print what backslash T and say what here format of word and you say print this else and here I'm writing print of number of max length words. Max length words is equal to comma LN of what? LST. Beautiful. LST is nothing but what? Max length words are not. Done. Enter. Java, Python, Django, HTML, HTML, C, C++, and at the rate symbol. What is that? Max length words, Django and Python. Number of max length words 2. Say here, Java, C, C++. Now, Python, HTML. Next is called Go and say enter. What is that? Max length word is called only Python. And the number of max length word is called what? 1 now. Are you following? Like this, one can enter. Now I will say even numbers also 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 4, 5, and then 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 9, and say 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And at the rate symbol, you say max length word is this one and only one. Are you able to follow? 3 digits, 2 digits, 4 digits, and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Are you able to follow? This is what I applied here. What I applied, max length I written it. If you want, instead of applying this max, you can write your own logic also for that. You can write your own logic also. If you want, I can just show you that. I can show you that. How do you write your own max for that? So go to the place. Now I'm writing Go to this place. And here I am going to write it. 2.py, 2.py. And coming to this, same example you carry forward. Here I am writing. Go to the place. Here I am going to write it. In this place, I applied what here? Max I applied. I don't want to apply any max. I will just take it as what? I'll take it as what, L, L list one, I will take it. I don't take it as what? Max function I did not apply. What I will do? ML is equal to what? List one of what? 0. What is the list one of 0? First value. I'll take a rough work here. LST1 is equal to 10 comma 2 comma 34 comma 5 comma 6, like that. What is my ML here? Is called what? LST1 of what? 0. What is the LST1 of 0? 10. So what is the ML value here? What is the ML value? 10. Take the for loop. For, come on, value in where? LST1. LST1. Compare if value greater than what? ML. What is the first time value is coming? 10. 10 greater than ML. What is the ML value? 10. 10 greater than 10. False. False means what? Go to back to the loop. Correct or not? What is the value next? 2. 2 greater than 10. False. Still 10 is only the bigger one. Go back. Next, what is the value next? 34. 34 greater than ML. True. That time ML to be updated with 34. ML to be updated with 34. What I will write it? ML is equal to what? Value. So what is ML now? That's all. It is going to loop again. What is the value now? 5. 5 greater than 34. X. Next, 6 greater than LST1. 6 greater than ML 34. False. Now, for example, I have 66. 66. What is the value now? 66. 66 greater than 34. True. ML is equal to 66. Now it is called what? 66. Understand? Dead easy. I will write it. Done. For value in where? LST1. If list 1 it is. If, come on, value greater than what? ML. ML is equal to what? Value. ML is equal to what? Value. That's all. It is going to take it. The further continuation word is taking. Now, max function I found out. This part, I will just press one tab. This is a code. Code for finding max value from dictionary of values. From dict of values. Using our own code. Now try to run it. This is what I am taking ML. Try to run. See. K.V.Rao. Next is called Travis. Next is called, I will write something like Gosling. And next is called, John Hunter. Next is called some name, something like Rajesh. Now you say at the rate symbol. What is happening? Max length word is equal to Gosling. What is the Gosling letters here? 7. 7. 7 is called what? Highest length word. That is what is called a logic. You have to write the code like that. If you write the code like that, then you are a valid student. Otherwise, scrap only. Okay. This is the way you need to write the coding. That's why they will provide AC room, peace of mind, all doors closed, AC classroom, everything. In company, they will provide like that. That's why they will provide every facility for you. Your brain should be peace of mind so that you can generate the logics, not for enjoying sitting inside. Understand? Students in online, did you understand this logic? Mind-blowing logic. You need to write like this. This is about the functions which I wrote it. How many functions I wrote it? multiple functions. Like that, any number of functions you can write and you can interact with it. That is what is today's class done. So index, if you see, this examples I did, additional examples I did on this area. And tomorrow class, when I come back, parameters and arguments. That too, Saturday is coming again. I don't know what is the main thing. Every Saturday, important concept is starting. And tomorrow, that is 9 a.m. Also important concept I'm going to start. Entering into the programmatic part of NumPy. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock. You need to attend both the classes. We go to underground. Two undergrounds means what? Underground, inside that, underground again. Finally, underground only. So come to the class and try to understand evening time, parameters and arguments, types of arguments and parameters. This will continue on tomorrow and Monday also. Tomorrow, once you students, morning notes I posted. Morning notes I posted. Nirkar Behra, awesome code. Yes. Already I posted the code. Did you receive? Notes you received? You did not receive. If you did not receive, take the code from there. Still you did not receive, online class not attending, notes not receiving, not reading, not remembering. So already some people received, those who are already there in the link. If not there, you try to get from the link, you will get the notes. Already I posted. Try to do that. So tomorrow class, I'll go for what? Parameters and arguments. Don't miss it. Thank you. All the best. Online students, you hold on. I will clarify your doubts if anything is there.
One week. 1 week. అంటే మొన్ననే కదా 9 o'clock స్టార్ట్ అయితే 11 o'clock 1 week. ఈ 1 week తర్వాత స్టార్ట్.
Online students. Narendra. Student name Narendra. Narendra. My dear student Narendra, I unmuted you. You need to accept the unmute so that you can speak to me. Narendra, hand raising symbol is there. Any student is having the doubt, you can raise the hand symbol so that I can clarify your doubts. Rushabh, I already posted my notes in the morning time. You please contact the admin. They will give you that link. No more doubts, huh? So no hand raising symbols are here. I think so. So I think no more hand raising symbols. I will log out and I will upload these notes for you. Thank you, students. All the best. Take care.